Hello people, this is Dave. I'm walking to the dollar store in a blizzard. Good times. I think it's about, 12 to 15 inches. And driving conditions are very dangerous. In fact, walking on the road is even more dangerous. I might actually die, but whatever. Be worth it to get some coffee. So here I go. I don't see any cars at all at the dollar store parking lot, so that's not a good sign. Anyway, thanks for sharing this lovely experience of misery with me, and have a nice day. And there's a shot of the culvert that goes under the entire town and ends up in Narnia. And there's the town hall. There it is. Scenic winter blizzard snowy tree shot. Ooh. Ah. Seemed like a good idea at the time. And now we're walking home in the snow, which wouldn't be so bad if every time the wind blew it wasn't going sideways. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.